More help is coming soon for P.E.I. struggling oyster fishers, this time from the federal government. It's been hit hard by the deadly parasite MSX, first discovered in July 2024, then another disease, dermo, found this summer. Neither poses a threat to people, but both can be fatal to oysters.
Simply saying we don't want to change anything, but we want government to support us in doing this, that's status quo. That's not going to work. We have to adjust to, as I indicate, a naturally occurring parasite. Areas have shown that you can adjust to that, and if we do that, we'll have a successful oyster industry in the future.
Part of the federal government's plan is to restructure the fishery by launching a buyback program to get some people out of the industry. But fishers want more.
We're hoping that there's financial aid to run programs that will employ fishermen to clean the beds up and do different projects within the fishery to help try to get our fishery through this.
Last week, the P.E.I. government announced more than $9 million to provide short-term relief for oyster growers and processors, bringing the province's total support to more than $12 million. But there was nothing in the latest round of funding for wild oyster fishers.
The government really kind of drove a knife in between on this announcement, with absolutely nothing for us, which was a shame a week before Christmas.
From what I've been told, for the most part, is many of the fishers did get their oysters this year. I do feel bad for them. They had to work a lot harder and they had to travel a little bit further across P.E.I. and there was, that fear of overfishing.
There is also a divisive debate in the industry about importing MSX and dermo-resistant seed from the U.S.
We had a members meeting about 2 weeks ago. We had close to 100 fishermen at the meeting, and it was made very loud and clear and a very unanimous vote that the wild fishermen do not want to see the American seed come in.
McLeod says fishers worry that seed may have diseases that aren't already here, but the island's oyster growers are overwhelmingly in support of importing seed. Federal and provincial officials say they'll take their direction from the Canadian Food Inspection Agency. Wayne Thibodeau, CBC News, Charlottetown.